This is Alex. I'll be explaining quiz 3, question 3, which is the Excel chart, this graph um, that shows you the relationship between distance and time, over time, we should say. So this graph has two periods. So from top to bottom, and then goes back to top. That's one period. So 1, 2, 1, 2. What happened is exactly like this picture, this graph here in the PDF. So it goes from a maximum acceleration, gradually decreases as it moves to the on the graph is the bottom here. Um, it gradually decreases as the velocity increases. You can see from here, right? As the velocity increases. And then the velocity would have a maximum amount of kinetic energy, which is in the middle, and meanwhile the acceleration would be 0, right? So that means maximum kinetic energy and minimum 0 potential energy. So as it approaches to the other end, right here, velocity would gradually decrease, and we have the acceleration back up again, right? So here's what happened in this graph. So it goes from here, 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 as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 5 seconds went on.